Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to NBCC Limited Q2 and H1 FY26 earnings conference call hosted by ICICI Securities Limited. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star, then 0 on your touch-tone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Mohit Kumar from ICICI Securities Limited. Thank you and over to you, sir.
Good afternoon. On behalf of ICICI Securities, I welcome you all to the Q2 FY26 earnings call of NBCC India Limited. Today, we have with us from the management, Shri K.P. Mahadeva Swami, CM Chairman and Managing Director, Shri Salim Ahmad, Director Projects, Dr. Suman Kumar, Director Commercial, Shri Anju Kumar Jain, Director Finance, Shri M.D. Singhal, Executive Director Finance, and Shri Balkrishnan Singla, Investor Relations. Without much delay, I will now hand over the call to the management for the opening remarks, which will be followed by Q&A. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Good afternoon to everyone. A warm welcome to all of you in today's investor call for second quarter. For quarter 2 on standalone operation and execution, we have achieved a total income of 2,225 crore and 3,017 crore on consolidated, reflecting an 20% year-on-year increase on consolidated level basis. And our standalone PAT stands at 173 crore, making a significant 40% year-on-year growth. Additionally, our consolidated PAT stands 157 crores, marking 25% year-on-year growth. EBITDA margin for quarter to quarter had reduced slowly because of lower contribution from our real estate projects and lower marketing fees from Amrapali projects. However, EBITDA margin for H1 to H1 has increased, and we are very sure that we will improve on EBITDA margin year-to-year basis. Order book. NBCC standalone order book standing 1,12,000 crore and consolidated order book 1,28,000 crore. Business secured. NBCC has secured 6,800 crore on consolidated basis in quarter 2, which makes a total of 10,000 crore in first half of 2025-26. Following major projects secured during quarter 2 by NBCC. Rajasthan State Industrial Development and Investment Corporation, that is RICO, around 3,136 crore. Development of Naveen Nagpur for NMRDA, around 3,000 crore. African Zoo Safari Plaza, Animal Hospital, Quarantine Facility and other allied works, 355 crore. MOU with the Department of Forest for land development across India. Other MOU signed. Strategic MOU with Australian real estate developer for expands global footprint. Also, strategic MOU with Tantan LC Real Estate Development LLC for real estate project in UAE. Business award to the contractor. In quarter 2, we have awarded 2,000 crore new tenders for on consolidated level, which makes 3,800 crore in first half of 2025-26. In next half, we are expecting rupees 10,000 to 12,000 crore rupees new work will be awarded. Redevelopment projects. In H1 2026, GPRA redevelopment project has contributed 1,021 crore in top line. First phase of Netaji Nagar project valued 1,450 is around 93% completed. And 2 more projects in Netaji Nagar valuing 2,000 have started giving contribution, and 2,000 crore more in pipeline to award in Netaji Nagar. Sarojini Nagar. This is a large project and work has been going on 10 packages worth of 8,000 crore and 2 projects have completed and 5,000 crore more in pipeline to award in Sarojini Nagar. Amrapali projects. For half-yearly one, Amrapali stalled project has contributed rupees 1,054 crore in top line. For Amrapali project phase 1, NBCC has completed almost 23 projects out of 24 projects and completed 30,000 units and will complete Adarsh Awas Yojana project by June 26. That is the only one project left with us. In phase 2, Attapalli project has started in different packages which consist of 17,000 CR sale and the construction cost around 12,000 crore rupees. This project will have a significant contribution in top line and bottom line in coming quarters. Thank you. Now the forum is open for the question and answer session.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1 on the touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question is from the line of Ravi Kumar Naredi from Naredi Investments LLP. Please go ahead.
Thank you very much to give me the opportunity. Sir, really I can say it is fantastic result. NBCC I am looking after since last 10 years. Sir, we have order book of 1,28,000 crore, while our execution this year may be 12,500 to 13,000 crore. If I apply net profit rate of H1, that is 7.65%, our net profit comes 1,000 crore rupees this financial year 26. Is it possible?
We are expecting 800 to 900 CR during this year. That will be our profit.
Okay. And sir, while we are not executing any project, we hire outside agency, then why we could not do fast project working? Because 1,28,000, if I took our project order and 12,500 crore is yearly execution, why we are lacking in the project execution? Can you tell the specific reason?
In this 1,12,000, 125,000 crore from Mahapreet. This is a redevelopment project wherein we have to arrange the fund for redevelopment construction. So now recently ADCO has sanctioned the loan for construction of 3 packages. So it will start. Here it is not a PMC project, not a budgeted project, wherein budget we will get the money. Here it is a self-sustainable mode project. Similarly, on Jammu Kashmir 15,000 crore work, the approval is getting delayed. It is the state government projects, wherein also we have to do redevelopment model. So arranging fund, getting approvals, it is taking some time. So once these 2 projects started, means this is altogether 40,000 crore per quarter in these 2 projects. So RICO also recently we got. So RICO also, all the projects we are doing in self-sustainable mode, redevelopment model. So that's why it is getting some time. Once it started, means definitely it will run and they will get good revenue as well as profit also.
So HUDCO, how much loan sanctioned to us?
Not us. They will sanction. We are not taking any loan. Actually, client is taking the loan. The Mahapreet is taking loan. NBCC taking loan means it is no issue because land lies with them. So loan will be taken by them only. We are the project management consultant for them.
Understand, sir. My question is that wherever you tell ki HUDCO has sanctioned the loan for 3 projects, how much the loan amount? Can you tell that one?
Navin Nagpur, they have sanctioned in the first phase, I think 11,000 crore rupees they have sanctioned. That includes the land acquisition also, wherein they have to acquire the land. And in Mahapreet, I think 3,000 crore already they have sanctioned.
So 14,000 crore they have sanctioned, right?
Yes. For them, not us.
Yes, for them, not us. And sir, out of 1,28,000, how much book we have clear mandate to start the project? Can you tell in that way?
Almost 34,000 crores is on our running projects. 40,000 just now I explained. These are the 2 major projects. But of course, in 7GP also some 6,700 crores yet to start. So already we have 34,000 crores on hand, running projects. This is running projects.
34,000 crore is running project, which we may finish in next 2 years, 3 years?
2 years. Yes, definitely. Less than 2 years. Some projects even 18 months, some projects 24 months, some projects on 3 years.
And how is our backlog of Delhi residential colony? How much we have sold in this quarter?
Delhi, there is no residential sale so far. It will come in future. 100% we have sold it in Narojini Nagar. There is no uncertainty in as far as commercial. Narojini Nagar 100% sold.
Narojini Nagar 100% sold. Any other no residential project in Delhi which need to sell, right?
No, it will come. It will
One
come.
commercial project is there, worth around 9,000 crore, which will be auctioned in coming month.
January.
Coming month. 9,000 crore, it will come in January.
Yes, exactly opposite to the World Trade Center. There will be a commercial space that we are going to launch in the month of fourth quarter, January.
January. Okay. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Dikshit Doshi from Whitestone Financial Advisors Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity. My first question is, can you just break up in terms of order book, how much is on a self-sustainable model and how much from the budget allocation?
Around 40% on PMC, as far as only standalone, if you are considered standalone, and 67,000 in redevelopment model.
67,000
redevelop 60%. 40-60. We can say 40% on PMC model and 60% redevelopment.
Okay, so we can say that this 40% PMC will be more or less executable in next 3 years, and 60% of redevelopment may be 4 to 5 years.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Now, my second question is, there were talks earlier regarding the, more colony redevelopment in Delhi. So if you can elaborate or any update on that?
It is in process. Right now, I can say it is in process. As soon as we will get the confirmation order, immediately I will going to inform you. Presently, it is under process.
Do you expect that any time in this year, or it may take some more time?
This year, certainly this year it will come.
This year it will come. And how big it could be?
Presently, don't ask in detail. Definitely in future I'll share it with you, because it is a price sensitive matter. So I'll let you know. Yes,
okay.
Definitely it is going on.
Okay. And next question is regarding the Gitroni land. So how much square feet how much area we total have, and how much square feet we can build on that?
So around 21 acres we will going to get. It will be resolved at the earliest. So hopefully by this year end or next year first quarter we will going to start the construction, and we'll start the sale of the commercial spaces also.
Okay, and
it will give around 8,000. It will going to give around 8,000 rupees, something like that. Some 7,000 rupees revenue. 7,300.
For entire 21 acres, 7,000 crore of top line we can expect.
Yes.
Okay.
And around 5,200 PAT will be there.
Okay.
This is a conservative figure.
Okay, yeah, got it. And in terms of our other income, so if I see this quarter, it is around 106, 107 crore, and for half year it is 181 crore. So is it predominantly from the interest income on the cash we have, or is there any one-off as well?
It consists of three things. I am Anjeev Jain, Director of Finance. It consists of three prominent elements. One is we have sold a land, industrial plot in Noida. From where we get 34 crore of rupees earning, other income. And apart from that, we get 44 crore.
44. Okay.
And approximately 42 crore is from dividend from our subsidiaries.
Okay.
And rest is from the interest.
No, but dividend from subsidiary would have been knocked off in consol numbers, right?
Yes, I am talking about a standalone number only. No?
Okay.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Vasudev from Nuvama. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. So, sir, this 40-60 split that you gave was in standalone. What is the similar split for the consol level?
Consol level 47-53. It is 47 and 53%. 61,000 crore on PMC and 67,000 on redevelopment. In subsidiary, they are not doing any redevelopment. Basically, they are doing only PMC business.
Okay. And sir, in terms of our project awarding, so how much have we awarded in Q2 and what is our target for the second half of the year?
So far, we have awarded 3,752. Hopefully, we are going to complete 10 to 11,000 CR during this year. That is our target, minimum target.
Okay. So this was in second quarter or the first half, 3,700?
3,000 up to second quarter. 6 months.
Okay. And sir, so now that we've already won about 10,000 crores in H1, so for the second half, how much more new orders are we looking at?
Another minimum 10,000. That is our minimum target, but it will cross more than 10,000.
Okay, so overall, we'll be exceeding about 20,000 crores. Okay.
Yes.
That's great, sir. So then for FY26 and 27, what kind of revenue growth and EBITDA and PAT margins are we looking at?
20%. On top line, we are expecting 20% growth. And on bottom line, that our PAT margin and EBITDA will be in the vicinity of 7 to 8%, and EBITDA will be in the vicinity of 6 to 6.5%.
Okay. And for FY27, again, we are targeting 20% growth in revenues?
Because we are a government company and we are bound by a target set by the Administrative Ministry. So Administrative Ministry decides every year you should give minimum growth of 20%.
Okay, sure. That is great, sir.
Already told, once these two redevelopment project starts means we will going to achieve more than that, whatever minimum set criteria. That is the as per MOU. But we will going to, after this Mahapreet and J&K starts means we will going to get more revenue.
Okay. Yeah, sure, sir. That's great. Sir, on the 7 GPRA societies at work that we have, the Sarojini Nagar and Netaji Nagar, what is our total pending order book in this project?
Around 7,000 crore is the pending.
Okay. And about this, in Netaji Nagar, the phase which is currently ongoing, which you...
Out of 7,000, we will going to float a tender in this quarter only. Around 4,000 to 5,000 crore we will going to float the tender. It is ready. Now we are going to call the tender.
Okay, that's quite interesting, sir. So, sir, in the Netaji Nagar, what is the value of the work which is currently ongoing? I missed that number, which is 93% completed, you said. So, what is the value of that?
That is 1,450.
Okay. Yeah.
Pardon me?
And in this Amrapali project, you said that our margins were down because, marketing fees was lower. So it is like generally for the project as a whole, our marketing fees is low, or it is only for this quarter?
Only this quarter. This quarter we could not sell the property. That's why we could not get the. It is quarter to quarter comparison only. Otherwise, we are getting 1% marketing fee. There is no reduction in marketing fee.
Okay. So it is because of lower sales.
Only this last quarter. This quarter.
Okay. Yeah, got it, sir. And what is the status on the Supertech projects currently?
Supertech, I think 8th December there will be a hearing in Supreme Court. We are hopefully waiting for that Supreme Court order decision. Rather. It will come. It will come. It is taking some time. That's all. So it will come to our kitty.
Okay. Yeah, that's for sure, sir. And sir, just 2-3 more questions on the bookkeeping front. So, what is the value of real estate, our own real estate that we sold in the first half, and how much are we targeting for the full year?
Total value of real estate on our books of accounts is 958 CR. And in first half of this year, our revenue, our turnover from the real estate was 26 crore.
So this was the revenue or the pre-sales that we've recorded, 26 crores?
Revenue from real estate is only recorded in the books of accounts once it is sold. Risk and reward has been transferred.
Okay. So this 26 crores is the revenue, right? And not the pre-sales?
No, not the pre-sale. Pre-sale numbers are 24. Yes. It's the revenue.
Okay. And what would be the pre-sales then for the quarter or for the first half and our target for the full year?
In fact, right now there is no pre-sale. Whatever sale was launched, it was completed for this half year only. So 24 CR is the sale number, revenue number, and there is no pre-sale as such. Okay. And our target for this year is approximately 64-65 CR.
Okay. Yes, sir. And so lastly, how much is the seed money that we currently have in our books?
Seed money is 481 CR. Out of that, 465 is for Amrapali project and 16.5 CR is for DTC project.
Okay. Sure, sir. That's it from my side. Thank you and all the best.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Sumit Rohra from Smartsun Capital Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. A very good afternoon to you and your entire team. Firstly, sir, I would like to congratulate you on, a good set of numbers. Now, sir, my question is more related, on the overall business. Because today, if you see, your order book is about 1,28,000. Now, sir, my sense is that this order book will have to be executed over a period of 4 to 5 years. So, isn't it fair to understand, sir, that your revenue should actually now start climbing at a very fast clip because most of these orders which you have, you would have to execute over the next 3-4 years. Secondly, sir, if you can, please throw some light, on the order visibility which you see, because, clearly the focus, which we are picking up is basically of development. And, you are a key instrumental player, who's basically in this segment. So, sir, can you throw some light on, order visibility which you see? And even on the, profitability side, if we take a 3-year view, can you also throw, a bit of light on, how you see profits evolve, sir?
Mr. Sumit, as I already explained, out of 1,12,000, some 40,000 crore work order from J&K and Mahapreet, Bombay. These two projects I think this year we will going to start. Due to this is a self-sustainable mode and redevelopment model, we need some seed money to start the projects. Thereby we stuck up. So now we got recently debuted yesterday only acquired sanction some loan also. So now Mahapreet will going to take place. So similarly J&K also will going to get at the earliest. So once these two projects started means definitely our top line will be increased. Once top line increase means because we have a fixed expenditure, that is our overhead salaries only. So after that, the bottom line also rapidly increase. So regarding new future business, we have a talk, rather in finalization with the redevelopment of other colonies in Delhi, and DDA will going to entrust 2 more colonies to us for redevelopment. MCD, we are talking with MCD, Municipal Corporation of Delhi, PWD. So we have a lot of work in pipeline. Similarly, we are talking with various state governments. Raipur also willing to give some works to us. So HPCL, they wanted to redevelop in Bangalore. So we are talking with various PSUs. PSUs having huge land parcel, or they have old colonies, township colonies. So that we are going to redevelop. So we have a very good order book in pipeline. So once we will get the order book, then definitely we will going to intimate you, because it is a price sensitive issue. That's why I cannot tell you which are all the order when it will come. Yes, definitely during this year, I am saying 10,000 is the bare minimum. We'll get more work order.
Sure. But sir, I mean, my point is that, I understand that, this year you would see about a 20-25% growth in revenues. But sir, my understanding, I mean, if you can correct me, that, going ahead from next financial year, your revenue should pick up at a faster clip, right? Because, I mean, as you keep awarding more and more orders. I'm sorry?
Yes, definitely. I'm saying conservative figure, but it will increase. Definitely it will increase.
Okay. And sir,
conservative figure.
Okay. And sir, I mean, if I heard correctly, your EBITDA margins will be close to 6.5%. Is that right, I heard?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Great, sir. I wish you all the best. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Divyam Doshi from Pragya Securities Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Congratulations on the great set of numbers. I wanted to know that in earlier calls you had mentioned that the state development projects in Rajasthan, Goa, Chhattisgarh, and the Kerala Housing Board were almost ready with DPRs in the final stage. But in Q2, we only see orders being added and not actual work starting on the ground. When do you expect real execution to begin in this project? And what's your internal timeline for approvals to be tied up?
Rajasthan tender appointment of consultant is in process. We are going to appoint by this weekend or next week. In Goa, already we have called a tender. Goa, it is an advance stage. We are going to appoint these Goa tenders in this quarter only. So regarding Kerala Housing Board, some approval is awaited. We are awaiting for approval. That forest clearance is required. Once we will get, that also we are going to award. Regarding Mahapreet and J&K, already told. So by the year end, we are going to start these projects.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And one last question. Can you please share which of the projects are realistically executable over the next that is financial year, that is FY27, and how much revenue is each one of the projects able to generate?
Pardon me?
Can you share which of the projects are actually executable in the next financial year, and how much revenue are these projects going to contribute?
Amrapali, we are doing 7 GPR also. We are going to call 4-5 tenders, another 4-5 tenders. That will give around 4,000 crores here. Of course, Goa, we will going to award. Definitely Rajasthan Mandapam and RICO, that also we will going to award during this year. Next year, all these projects will give good revenue as well as profit.
Okay. And are there any new projects are there any other projects which are expected to complete in this financial year?
This financial year, completing the projects. Actually, in phase 1, Amrapali, almost 23 projects we have completed. Only one project, Adarsh Awas Yojana, it will be going complete by first quarter of 26. So, in 7 GPRA, Type 2 we have completed. Type 4 and Type 5, around 1,000 units. that we are going to complete. Type 6 also in the advanced stage. So we are doing, of course, in 7GP array, we are completing the project within the timeline.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. I'll join back in the queue. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Ankita Shah from Elara Capital. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi sir. Congratulations on good performance. So my first question is on the real estate side. When are we had completed properties which was ready to be sold. So when are we expected to see traction on the real estate revenues? The first half looks to be relatively muted.
Yeah, Ankita, good morning. Anjeev this side.
Yes, sir.
Regarding this real estate, we're expecting approximately 250 plus of revenue, but there is a shift in strategy. In fact, as you're aware, there is a project called Imperia in Bhubaneswar. We are planning to generate revenue from this project approximately for 200 CR, but we have shifted our strategy and we'll be utilizing that project for lease revenue only, because there is a good business in leasing there in Bhubaneswar. So that's why we are expecting 250 plus of revenue, but now we have shifted our revenue guidance from real estate to 65 or 67 CR.
There is a huge potential for income to IT people. Now they are asking for lease. So we will going to get a good revenue. So instead of selling, so that asset will be with us only. So we are we have changed our strategy. We are going to give on lease basis. So there around 200 crores we are not.
Yeah. So for this year, how much real estate revenues are we expecting?
Around 65 crores. Around 65 CR.
Okay, and the margins in this will be segment margins?
Margin will be 27 CR. If I consider 65 top line, then 27 CR will be now bottom line.
Okay.
Almost 40%.
Got it. Other than this, sir, you explained about the drop in margins because of Amrapali projects. This is temporary or overall margins in the projects has come?
No, it is only temporary for this quarter only.
Okay.
Especially for only this quarter. Next quarter and we're going to get the profit margin also. EBIT also we're going to get. PAT already increased. Only we are talking about EBITDA.
Got it. And the marketing fees also intact, the percentage marketing fees?
Yes. 8% PMC plus 1% marketing we are getting. Next quarter, we hopefully will get all the money from marketing.
Okay, got it. And lastly, overall, out of this 1,28,000 crores of order book, how much is actually under various stages of execution right now, which can contribute to revenues?
34,000 idea and running, and we will going to award another 10,000 during this year. So almost 44,000 will be our running projects, and next March onwards we will going to award this Mahapit and J&K, and that will be added to our kitty.
Okay, great. Sure, sir. That's it from my side. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Dikshit Doshi from Whitestone Financial Advisors Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity again. So a couple of things. Firstly, just a clarification, you are mentioning 6.5% EBITDA margin. This is without the other income, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And my second question is, if I see the P&L, which you report to the exchanges, there is one line item in the expenses, write-offs. That has come down significantly. So if you can explain, will it remain at such low levels or there may be increase going forward? Because last year, if I see, let's say for H1 last year it was 102 crore. For this year H1 it is only 5 crore.
That figure will depend upon the quantum of write-off on quarter-to-quarter basis. Last year, in fact, there is a ECL mechanism, and once the ECL has been created, they have decided to write off that financial asset completely off the books. So last corresponding quarter or corresponding half year, we decided to completely write off the financial asset to the extent of approximately 100 CR. And this time there was no such case. That's why you are not seeing any write-off.
But still we are increasing our PAT. That is the beauty of this. We are getting profit last year compared to year or quarter to quarter. We are getting good PAT.
Okay. But this figure may increase depending on the time. Okay.
It depends on the analysis of the outstanding. It depends on the analysis of the outstanding and the ECL created in the books of account.
Okay. Understood. Okay. Thank you. That's it from my side.
Thank you.
Thank you. Before we take the next question, a reminder to all, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Aman Veej from Astute Investment Management. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon. My first question is on Supertech. So any update on that project and where we say the hearing?
Supertech, December 8th, there will be a hearing. So we are waiting for Supreme Court decision. I think we are going to get this either this hearing or next hearing. The decision will come to us. Hopefully, it will come to us.
Sure, sir. Second question is on the running order, sir.
Sorry to interrupt, Aman. Your voice is muffled.
Yeah, this would be better. Question is, sir, on running order book. So you said by end of this year we'll be at 44,000 crore, assuming 1,000 crore additional by the end of this year. But I want this number say for FY27 and FY28. Can this running order book be around 60,000-70,000 crore in the next 1 to 2 years?
Maybe next 2 years, maybe. Because once we started awarding this Mahaprith and J&K, Rajasthan and Goa, yes, definitely our order book will link.
Sure, sir. Final question is on real estate side. So this year you said 64-65 crore of revenue recognition. For what is the number for FY27 and FY28?
28, definitely we will going to get our 30-70, even Gittorni also we are expecting in 28. So around 200 to 250 crore we may get from our real estate.
That is a profit number, but as far as top line is concerned, in FY28 we'll be able to have 800 crore plus from 30-70, one of the projects in 30-70 Gurgaon that will come up.
Okay, so 800 crore itself will get recognized in FY28 itself?
Yes.
And for FY20?
Conservative.
Sure, sir. And FY27, what can be the rough top line which we are targeting for real estate?
On the 100 CR top line and some 20-30 crores in the bottom line. So we have already sold our Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, where our strategy changed. Otherwise, you could have get 200-250 crore. So Bhubaneswar we won't sell. Instead of that, we will going to give it on lease. So we will get some revenue, fixed revenue, because lot of IT structures is moving to Bhubaneswar nowadays. So they are approaching us and we want to give on lease.
Yeah, roughly what is this rental income from Bhubaneswar alone for the year, which is recurring every year?
It will be approximately 22, 23, 24 crore approximately.
In a year.
Sure, sir. Any other place we are looking for similar model instead of outright selling?
Already we have given in World Trade Center, we have purchased 3 crore. There we are getting rent. It has been given to CAG and GST. So we are getting rent every month 2.5 CR, around 30 crore. 30 crore we are getting in World Trade Center.
Yeah, that we know, sir. In future, any other projects which you might want to convert into this rental model?
It will depend on the market scenario. If the lease is going to give a good revenue.
We are planning, of course, in Gitone also, we wanted to give some spaces on rental model. Instead of selling whole property, we are thinking of when that.
And how much area will you
Not yet decided exactly. Depending upon market condition, if you get good rent, then definitely we'll try to give whatever excess space is there that will go. We are thinking.
Okay, sir. Thank you for answering the questions.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Divyam Doshi from Pragya Securities Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Sir, you had previously in the earlier con calls, and I have seen that you had given a guidance of 14,000, 15,000 crore in the financial year 26. Till now, we have only completed approximately 5,300 crores. So you need to target what 1.5 of the current sales. So how is that possible?
Possible. Every year you see, half year to half year, you just compare, quarter to quarter you compare, we are already 15 to 16%, and standalone, of course, we are getting 20%. So definitely it is a possible task. Definitely we are going to achieve 14,000 on console level.
Okay, and
is there working season? In third and fourth quarter will be the working season for civil industry. So we will get good revenue in this half year.
Okay, and is there any other future plan to increase the EBITDA margin? Right now it's around 4-5%. You have targeted 6%. Is there any chance in future it would go in the double digit?
Double digit. Currently, I'll answer this question next time, I think. Double digit, yes, definitely our wish. Let us see.
I know it's very difficult, but yeah.
We can get the double digit figure once our Gitone and our 3070 start giving results. Definitely that will be in double digit. Because Gitone itself around 5,000 CR profit will be there, and in 3070 800 CR. So 27, 28 definitely I think we are going to give double digit figures EBITDA.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Ravi Kumar Naredi from Naredi Investments LLP. Please go ahead.
Sir, I would like to know, can you tell how many more orders we may receive in H2?
H2? Minimum 10,000 earlier told. 10,000. It will be 20 to 30,000, but minimum 10,000 we are targeting. We are going to get.
And the financial year 27 target of top line, can you give?
18,000. Already I committed 18,000.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Dikshit Doshi from Whitestone Financial Advisors Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Just a question on the real estate project of 3070 Gurgaon. So, you mentioned how much could be the top line from that?
Around 2,200 CR top line, and 2,200 roughly.
Okay.
And the PAT will be around 800 CR.
Okay. And here, the work has already started, construction?
Tender already called. We're going to start, I think, before December or January.
Okay. So you expect the because since we record the revenue when we hand over the property,
Yes, yes. That's why otherwise the money will come immediately. From January onwards, you are going to get the money received, but VWD can be booked, turnover can be booked once we hand it over. That's why we are planning 27, 28, we are going to get that revenue.
So my question is, do you expect that within 2 years, the construction will be over and we'll be handing over?
Definitely.
Okay. And this tender, which we are awarding next month, this will be for the entire 2,200 crore?
Yes.
Okay, fine. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Dr. Akshay Patil, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Congratulations to NBCC team for good set of results. I can see the next Larsen and Toubro rising, and being a public sector company, working with so much efficiency, I am very proud of that whole team. So my first question is, hello, can you hear me?
Please, sir. Continue, Dr. Sir.
Yeah. Actually, my first question is, you have said that you will be setting up a financial arm in the previous Concall. So is there any development on that so that the margins can be improved?
Because we are getting the finance from our sister company, ADCO. So presently not keen on setting up NBFC, but we are getting money from ADCO and we are doing the execution. That is good enough, I think. Here, one thing I wanted to share with you, whenever any PSU fails, private will take over. Example, Air India, like that. In our NBCC case, whenever private fails, NBCC will take over and complete. This is the reverse story. That is example Amrapali. One of the best example, Amrapali, private people failed and we are completing that project. So we are proud to say Navratna Construction Company.
No, sir, I have been tracking this company for many years, but in the last 2 years, its performance has been phenomenal, and I congratulate the team for working so hard and in creating value for the shareholders.
Thank you.
And my next question is, as you have in previous con calls, you have stated for 25,000 top line and 5,000 bottom line. So, in which financial year can we see that happening?
28. Already we told, no? I thought 2,000.
Okay.
That will be 2,000 and 25,000 top line.
Top line. Which financial year? 28. Okay.
Yeah, 28.
Okay. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of H.K. Dash, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Very good number, sir. Thank you. And thanks for giving me an opportunity. Just I wanted to know the status of the land in very close to Bombay Airport. That is Hindustan Organics Limited. We have an agreement for that land, sir. What is the present status of that land?
Not exactly, but we are seeing some PSU's land in Bombay, of course. National Bicycle Limited is having a land parcel near to Sealing. So we are planning to do redevelopment work in that parcel. Similarly, Bauman and Nari is having huge land parcel, Richardson Crude Sense. So, and even we are talking with the shipyard. So hopefully next year and onwards we will going to get some business in Bombay also.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Sumit Rohra from Smartson Capital Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Yeah, sir. You were just mentioning, in fact, my question was, on the potential opportunities with PSUs. So you were mentioning, with you're talking to PSUs about land parcels. So you also mentioned about HPCL. So how big, sir, are some of the opportunities we have with our other PSUs?
Around HVCL 1,500 CR it is in Bangalore.
Okay. And you also mentioned... I'm sorry, sir?
18-acre land in Bangalore, that is HVCL, and discussion is going on regarding the redevelopment of HMT. HMT also it is in Bangalore, and across India they have land parcels. So MTNL will going to, I think, shortly start the project of MTNL at Delhi itself. MTNL and BSNL is having huge land parcels. So we may get some more order from these PSUs.
Okay, understand. Yeah, but because, sir, I mean, the plethora of opportunity what you have, is absolutely tremendous. So, I mean, clearly, you are at the leading position. So, I wish you once again good luck and all the best, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Sumit.
Thank you. A reminder to all, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. Ladies and gentlemen, as there are no questions from the participants, I now hand the conference over to the management for closing comments.
With the strong financial performance, NBCC top line and bottom line have increased significantly and quarter-to-quarter basis. As you know, quarter 4 traditionally contributes the highest, and we expect this trend to further strengthen our overall performance in the second half. Full year guidance, we remain confident achieving 14,000 to 15,000 crores revenue and standalone 7 to 8% PAT margin, 6 to 6.5 EBITDA margin for the full year. Real estate contribution, we expect a meaningful contribution from our real estate projects during quarter 3, quarter 4, which will support our momentum for profitability. Amrapali project sales, the sales for the Amrapali projects have been launched, and we are expecting a strong response and positive outcomes in the coming quarters. Ghitorni project status, the Ghitorni project real estate project is in the final stage of resolution, and we will expect to begin position out to award the work either during the end of this quarter or next year, first quarter. Thank you. With this, once again, thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Participants, please note, if you have any further questions, please contact Balkishan Singla from Investor Relations. Thank you. On behalf of ICICI Securities Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.